again to my vlog. It's my birthday! Woo! So we're here today in Rustic Mornings to have brunch with my family. So with my grandparents, my lola, my mommy, and my tatay, and my lolo. So wala si Daddy today because she's working. Pero makikita niyo siya later. So we have casino. Nag-hati kami ni Bird because it's so big. Hi guys! Change outfit because it's nighttime, dinner time. Hindi naman kami ngayon sa Borough with Danny! So I got the salmon teriyaki with rice. Ano to? Marinara? Marinara. Monk rolls. If you guys are going to try Saboro, I suggest you get the salmon teriyaki one. I think it's the most sulit out of all the dishes we... ito daw. Honest review, pero yun, get the salmon, it's really good.
Malaki tinik.
Ako na ubos na. Tapos hindi nag-check. So for our last stop, we are here sa cafe room. Oh! Ang hirap ng... ang hirap na mirror yung katapat kasi I can't stop looking at myself. So here's what we ordered. Thank you, Silly! You're the best! Screenagers.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
That's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching. I definitely had a great day today and I'm so grateful to all my friends, to everyone who greeted. But most of all, I'm grateful for my parents for always making sure I have the happiest birthday. I love you guys and thank you so much. Thanks for watching.